and welcome to State Avenues. I am Meghna and today I am taking you through top office spaces in Dwarka Expressway. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a road that's transforming the west of Gurugram, turning quiet residential stretches into bustling corridors. That's Dwarka Expressway for you. Over the past decade, this corridor has become one of the most sought after commercial, mixed-use and entertainment spaces, all in one stretch. This 29-kilometer long expressway, out of which around 18-kilometer falls in Gurugram and 11-kilometer in Delhi, isn't just infrastructure, it's a growth spine. And remember, right across the border lies Dwarka, Delhi's prime sub-city, housing lakhs of residents. In fact, Dwarka has approx 10 to 12 lakh people living across its sectors. And with the coming Bharat Vandana Park and diplomatic enclave, this entire belt is turning into a high-value premium zone, which means offices here aren't just getting corporate interest, they are getting massive walk-in and footfall potential from neighboring Dwarka as well. Connectivity here is unmatched. The expressway links NH48, Rajokri, IGI Airport and Delhi, making it a magnet for businesses that want airport access, plus Delhi proximity, plus future urban growth. The upcoming metro line along Dwarka Expressway with proposed stations at key intersections like Sector 82, 83 and 102 will make commuting even faster. For now, roads, shuttle services and ride-sharing ensure seamless movement. What makes this corridor truly exciting is how integrated it has become. You have high-end office towers, retail hubs, multiplexes, cafes, and business amenities all within walking distance. It's not just a workspace, it's a thriving urban lifestyle ecosystem where people live, work, meet, eat, and grow. So let's take a close look at the top commercial projects along Dwarka Expressway. What makes them special, the brands that operate here, and why they are becoming the go-to addresses for corporates and retail giants. One is Sector 37D AMB Selfie Square. AMB Selfie Square by AMB Group, handed over around 2018, sits at a major entry point of the expressway. It offers corporate suites, boutique offices, retail, F&B, all in a high visibility corner plot. Tenants love its flexible office layouts, modern interiors, ample parking and retail integration, making it casual client meets and team breaks easy. Great access to NH48, Dwarka and Delhi gives it a strategic edge. Then we have Elan Miracle in Sector 84 by Elan Group. Offers high street retail, corporate suites, a huge multiplex. This project thrives because of footfall from expressway traffic, plus residents in nearby sectors, plus corporate clusters. Co-working operators, F&B brands, and boutique corporate offices thrive here. Parking, landscape areas, and retail convenience make it a modern corporate lifestyle hub. Next, we have Consigned One in Sector 109. It is fully operational with retail, F&B, and office spaces. Its main road frontage gives tenants high visibility. Regional IT firms, fintechs, and consulting setups operate here. Efficient layouts, terraces, and parking make it ideal for fast-growing companies needing visibility plus proximity to Delhi and Dwarka. And we have Neo Square in Sector 109. It brings retail, offices, and an 8-screen multiplex, creating a vibrant business ecosystem. IGBC rated, modern amenities, large plates, and expressways frontage make it corporate ready. Co-working firms, boutique offices, and service brands operate here. And now we have 109 in Sector 109. It is by Indiabulls, handover expected in 2025 or between 2026, is positioned at a premium business hub close to IGI Airport with modern, vacant, efficient space planning, metro connectivity potential, and expressway visibility. It's already attracting enterprise interest, one to watch. Then we have M3M Capital Walk, sits right at Delhi-Gurgaon border. Combined with residential towers in Sector 113, it creates a live, work, play ecosystem. HDFC Bank offices, startup HQs, consulting firms, and high-end retail operates here. Spacious plates, modern elevators, green zones, and parking make it perfect for dynamic businesses with cross-Delhi access and walk-in clientele from Dwarka. With millions living in adjacent catchments, mega attractions like Bharat Vandana Park, Diplomatic Enclave, premium hotels, and world-class road and metro connectivity, Dwarka Expressway is scripting North India's next corporate success story. If this video helped you in understanding where the action is actually happening in Gurugram, then make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you are someone who's exploring and investing, then State Avenues is your trusted partner. And also stay tuned for part 2 of Office Spaces in Dwarka Expressway.